Hi, thank you for watching this video. Our topic today is how to use Chinese metaphysics in the event that you lose your job. But before we start, please watch this clip.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, or like this video. Now back to our video.
Welcome back. Alright, our topic today is how to use Chinese metaphysics in the event that we lose our job because of this pandemic. Before I even explain the sectors that you should tap or we should tap or activate, there are many ways to actually activate the sector. The first one is by actually staying in the sector, working in that sector, and keeping that sector busy at the minimum of 30 minutes to 1 hour a day. Another activation that you can actually activate or do in the event that you can't stay in the sector at all times, you can do the water activation, which you fill up a pail of water and clean water, of course, and put the water pump. And you can do this on a 2 weeks basis as an activation for any sector. Now, the sectors that I'd like you to pay attention to is the Flying Star 8 and Sun Star for in your location. Now, where do we actually find the Flying Star 8? For 2020, Flying Star 8 is located at the northwest sector of your home. But if you're currently watching this video at a different time or a different year, please visit my Facebook group, which is seen in the screen, and so I can give you the current location of all the flying stars on an annual basis. Now, another activation that you would also like to consider in activating is the Sun Star activation. This is an auxiliary star that you can activate in your space on a yearly basis. Now, to learn more about the auxiliary star, please watch this video. This will explain to you all the definition of the auxiliary stars that we can actually find in our space on a yearly basis. Now, Sun Star, just to summarize, is all about noblemen. And of course, when we want to find a new job or look for new opportunities, we need noble people that would offer us the opportunity or at least a job. Now, the next step that I'd like you to also consider for 2020 is to actually do your sage mode. So you can actually do some wishes to your deity. Now, if you're not familiar how to do your sage mode, please watch this video. And this will tell you how to actually do your sage mode. And for 2020, it's advisable for you to face your back at the northeast sector. This is all about noblemen and giving you opportunities and giving you confidence and strength during this crisis, in this pandemic, or because during this COVID-19 crisis. So what we want to activate is the white tiger, or to connect with rather, is the white tiger, and that will activate noble people and opportunities that you can tap during this time. So when you do make a wish, remember you make a wish 3 times, and when you do that, you say, white tiger, I wish, so on and so forth. Okay, so just fill in the blanks and do it 3 times on a daily basis to connect with your deity. This is a good section to activate for 2020. That's the location of your deity for 2020. Again, if you're watching this at a different year, please visit my Facebook group to give you more information of the location of our deity on an annual basis. Alright, so I hope you learned something today. And if you want to learn more, please visit my Facebook group in this image, in this video on the screen. And if you want to learn how to actually do your BaZi chart or learn how to actually do your Feng Shui, you can also go to my online classes. Or if you want to just simply get a consultation, or send me an email if you want me to audit your space or have a BaZi consultation, please send me an email or visit my website in this screen. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something today. Bye!